Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Look at the sun, look at that blue sky. If today stays like this, it's gonna be a very, very good day. Gonna head over to Burgers and Bike Meet that the old boot bikers are putting on here in Hertfordshire. It's that lovely little pub, probably about 10-15 miles from here. Lots of cool bikes, lots of cool people. It's going to be a good day all round. Got my pal Ben on his Sportster going to come meet me at mine. It should just be a great day. This is what the motorcycle community and bike life is all about. Riding together in the sunshine, having fun, not taking life too seriously, just having a good time. I'm still waiting for my 12-inch ape hangers to arrive. Really annoyingly, they're still not here. I wanted to get them on before this bike event today, but they're not here, so I'm just going to rock the stock little mini apes. Got some new grips that I need to put on when I get back home, and I've also got a new genuine Harley chrome handlebar riser because I had that black one lying around and it doesn't look very good, so put them on when we get back, and then have a little coffee, wait for Ben on his Sportster to turn up. Yeah, go for a nice ride. So let's go have a good day. Peace. Chrome grips are on, chrome bar riser clamp is on, giving it a wipe down. It's looking beautiful. Really happy with the POV right now. Look at that, that's sick. Sun's gone in, but I'm hoping the rain's gonna hold off and then we can get on the road. Ben's just turned up. Say hello to the camera, Ben. This is his Sportster. It's the so what is it? So it's the Roadster, Sportster Roadster, yeah?
Yeah, the 883R.
Yeah, it looks sick. It does look sick. I love these bags as well. So they're the proper fresh and supply ones, isn't it?
Yeah, they're the mini bags though, so you don't have to relocate your indicators on the back.
Yeah, that's sick.
They're worth it though, they're waterproof, works in the UK.
They are cool. Mate. That's what I was when I was doing mine. That's what I was. That's really nice. Got like the cone air filter. I like the seat, matching grips. Yeah, he's done a cool job of that. I like that. I've always been tempted for a Triumph Bobber.
Do you know what? That is like one of my dream bikes.
Yeah.
Triumph Bobber. The 100th anniversary bike.
Yeah, that's cool. That's beautiful. And then that's the same as yours, isn't it? The Roadster.
Yeah, that's I think that's an older year.
Okay. I can see Austin on one of them. I keep telling him he should get one of them. He loves an orange bike.
Yeah, so that's an 06, so that's
Clean for an 06, that,
that is very clean for an 06.
Yeah, I like that.
Got no rust with my spot.
I think these are them in custom shops, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're sick. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Smells nice. Right, this is Joe's new bobber. Yeah, I love it so much. Talk to me. So what are you going to do? So you're going to go Fulton exhaust?
Well, maybe not Fulton, but
Similar.
similar style.
Right.
Shorty front,
Yeah.
remove the back,
Yeah.
side plate holder, small indicators.
Yeah, sick.
I've done the mirrors.
Oh yeah, nice.
Just things like headlight cover, front indicators.
I love it.
Just a little
Oh, even
cool
this
stuff.
is sick.
Yeah, custom. That's Nipper.
Yeah, I love that.
He's done all the calligraphy. And I've added it.
I like that. You're going to keep the crash bars? I like
I don't
them.
know. I think so.
I like them.
I mean, they were on it, and they're there.
Yeah.
But they're not matching.
Oh yeah, nice man. How'd you find that V10? I bought one
Windy.
and then I sold it and
It's
then
windy.
I won another one. Yeah.
It's windy, but yeah, Jake does all the calligraphy.
Hello, mate. You alright? Yeah, good. Nice to meet you, Jordy. Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah, it's,
Yes.
it's not as good as I've got an Alpine Star Super Tech, and that's like well good for wind.
Yeah.
But that's like windy, but it's all right.
It looks cool. Look,
I'm not
just
doing
matches.
150 mile an hour. You know what I mean? So,
Matches. That's proper custom, like custom. He's done everything to that, hasn't he, already?
Seats sick.
Yeah.
Sissy's sick.
I bet they ride well. I bet they ride similar to the Scouts and the FTRs. With the modern engines, isn't it?
Apparently they've got a lot of like low end torque.
Yeah.
So it just fucking
Cool. I like that. That's cool.
That's my mate's bike.
Isn't it? I like what he's done to that.
Yeah.
It's cool. Nice little iron 883 in it.
Yeah, the
Cone air
short
filter,
I like
short
the sound of the
shots.
short shots.
Yeah,
Pretty
same. I bet that sounds so nice.
I'm a sucker for white wheels on sports bike.
Yeah. I just want to
So
put that
90s.
in my front room though. I wouldn't want to use it. I just want a bit of artwork. Like that. I like that ratty look.
No, not that much. Oh, really?
The Esquire one, maybe brands, maybe.
Oh, mate. You alright?
How are you?
Yeah, good. How you doing?
Yeah, how's it going?
Yeah, good, man. I'm coming more. The more I see him in the flesh, the more I'm coming around to the idea of it. They do.
Expensive still.
They are. Yeah, literally. 2017s are still like $7,000 upwards. I've been looking on. There's one on eBay at the moment. It's like $6,500, which is the cheapest I've ever seen one. Probably a bit ratty, but
Where's the pipe? I didn't realise there's double heads that go straight through.
yeah,
the-
wild. Eh?
Jesus.
Yeah, nuts. Yeah, I really like these now. So. It's wild. You could see like I don't know someone on WWE riding that through into the ring.
Like the Undertaker.
Yeah, I love that bike. This is great for a 125. I would have loved that when I was learning.
That was a drag.
Yeah. XVS 125, I think. Yeah. It looks cool, didn't it? Just got back. Shout out to Steph and Paul, Old Boot Bikers. Such a lovely day that was. Lots of beautiful bikes. Really lovely people. It's always a good time at their events. So yeah, big up to them guys. Happy birthday to Paul for tomorrow. Hope you have a great day. Really nice ride back with Ben on the Sportsters. Good day all round. I'm gonna jump on and start editing the video. Hopefully get it out tonight. Enjoy this last coffee of the day. And yeah, get to work. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. Please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.